Finding a supervisor is the first step of getting an admission and a scholarship. But the manual approach to finding a supervisor is so much time consuming and a hectic process. Most aspiring PhD candidates get confused in finding a right supervisor with the manual approach. But you can now make this process much easier by using AI tools. These tools not only help you in finding the right supervisor, but also it helps in finding their research profiles, email IDs, and LinkedIn IDs as well. So, for example, you have done your master's in AI and human resource management. Now you are finding PhD admission and a scholarship in AI and its role in HRM. You simply insert a prompt in the Claude that mentions your academic background, research skills, and the country you are pursuing a PhD admission. So here is the step one. First, we go to Claude AI and insert the prompt. The prompt outline our academic background, research experience, the country we are going to pursue a PhD, and we also mention the names of supervisors, their IDs, and the research profile. The Claude AI will start generating the result for us. In our prompt, we mentioned that we want to pursue a PhD in Germany, and the topic was the role of AI in HRM. As you can see, the Claude has generated the list of supervisors in the Germany who are working across universities and their research experiences, and it also generated their latest publications and their research profiles, email IDs, and everything was just generated within minutes. So now you can check these IDs step by step and explore their research profiles, and you can also contact them directly through LinkedIn or email. You can see that Claude has also provided links to the professors' university research profiles. So these profiles allow you to explore their recent publications, which you can mention in your email when you are requesting PhD supervision. Refreshing these work can help you personalize your email and demonstrate your research interest.